Hi there. Here's a quick overview of the succession planning setting in our platform. So here I have the individual page of Lori, who is my team member. If I scroll down, I will find the succession planning part where you will see three columns, three fields. One is possible successor for, maybe succeeded by, and next career move. So in possible successor for, I can choose people that Lori can substitute in the future if they jump into a bigger role or a different role. Maybe succeeded by is a field where you can indicate someone that might substitute Lori if they leave their job. And the third one is next career move. This one is only active if you have RDP activated in your system like we do here. So in here, I can choose the possible role that Lori might take over if they move into a different role in the company. So to choosing possible successor for, I'm going to click on the little plus, and here I'm going to choose Vito. So Vito probably has the role that Lori will move into in the future. And here I will just add a date. Let's say that next year in January, Lori might take over Vito. So I'm going to put that here. And as you can see, the date is also displayed. You can also remove this. And if needed, you can add more people in here. So choose a different date if necessary. And there we go. Then we have maybe succeeded by, where, as I said, we indicate people that might substitute Lori if they leave their role. So here I'm going to choose a different person. So let's say that Buki might come into Lori's place, and I will choose a date on the 1st of January. And for next career move, so as I said, for this, you need to have the RDPs activated, and you must have some published RDPs in order to be able to choose from the list. So if I click on the little plus, I will see all my published RDPs currently. If you have an RDP that Lori, that you think Lori would be a good fit for in the future, then you first need to make sure that it's published so that it will appear in this list. So I will choose CFO, and I will choose the date. It might be the same date that Lori might substitute over Vito, for example. So I'm choosing the 1st of January 2025. And of course, whatever changes we've made on Lori's profile, they will also be automatically applied on the people that are related to Lori here. So if I go to Vito's page, for example, I will see that Lori is one of the people that Vito may be succeeded by. So it's also automatically updated. Thank you for watching.